In this video, I'm going to do an honest review of what I think about Affiliate Secrets 3.0 by Spencer Mecham. Now, before I do this review, if you haven't subscribed yet, click the subscribe button and hit the bell to get notified, and our video starts right now. Hi, my name is Yogesh. Welcome to my channel, Utilize Your Business. In this video, I'm going to do a review of Affiliate Secrets 3.0 by Spencer Mecham. Word is that it's going to be better than Affiliate Secret 2.0. That was also huge successful. So keep watching this video till the end to get all the information on Affiliate Secrets 3.0. And is this course worth it? Be sure to subscribe to my channel if you want to learn more about affiliate marketing, how to do it on Facebook, YouTube, and also by vlogging. And also people who are already in the Facebook just wants to become better at it and better at affiliate marketing. So be sure to subscribe to my channel. Link is right there. Now, also, let me know in the comment if you're a beginner affiliate marketer who is struggling currently. Let me know in the comment yes or no. Now, before I do a review and take you what exactly is covered in this Affiliate Secrets 3.0 course, let's talk about the person who actually made this course, Spencer Mecham. Who is Spencer Mecham and what are his credentials? So who is Spencer Mecham? He's a well-known name in the field of affiliate marketing. Those are people who are in affiliate marketing, pretty sure have heard the name of Spencer Mecham. He's a dream car winner, one of the top affiliate for Clickfunnels. He has his own Facebook group, which is really good, and I'm part of that Facebook group. And on top of that, he also has an amazing YouTube channel, Builderpreneur, that has subscribers more than 50,000. Now, his first two editions of Affiliate Secrets were a great success. A lot of affiliates had amazing results by using all the technique given in the course. Now, the third edition that is coming out, but at the middle of this video, supposed to be better than the first two, where he actually talks about how to do affiliate marketing through blogging and YouTube. Now, as we go along, I'm just going to take you on the dashboard of exactly the course by itself, because he's given me the access to it, and some of the other affiliates who also bought Affiliate Secrets 2.0, and I've gone through some of it. So let's go through the course and what is entailed and what you're going to learn in this course. So before you purchase this course, I'm just going to tell you what this course includes and why it's going to be one of the better course for those of people who wants to do affiliate marketing right way and be successful. Now, stay around till the end of the video, where I'm going to tell you all about the bonuses that you're going to receive from me if you use my affiliate link of buying this course. Now, you're going to get some bonuses from Spencer Mecham. On top of that, the bonuses you're going to get from me. So you wanted to stay till the end of the video to find out all those bonuses. So the Affiliate Secret 3.0 is broken down into two different courses. One is the main affiliate secret, and one he has a course by itself on the traffic, because traffic is one of the most important part of affiliate marketing. If you don't have people looking at your offer, you won't be making any money. So that's broken down into two. Let's go into Affiliate Secrets, and here you will get all the modules on different step-by-step process for affiliate marketing. Most of the videos, in fact all the videos, are done by Spencer Mecham, where the first one, before actually going into the affiliate marketing, he just talks about the big picture of what this course is all about and what affiliate marketing is all about. And then you go step by step on, you're going to pick the niche. So let's click on that. You're going to learn about the niche. You're going to learn about the products. You're going to learn about the scoring, the high traffic list, affiliate list. He has it here, and you're going to get all of that in there. Then after that, you're going to learn about the lead magnets, what makes a good lead magnet, and how to design it and deliver your lead magnet, because the lead magnet is all about building your email list. So basically what are you doing is you're bribing somebody to give them guide, an ebook or checklist. In return, you want to get their email. So that's what the lead magnet is all about, and he talks about that. And then he tells you exactly where to go, list of the graphic designers on Fiverr or on the Upwork. Those are the two ones that you can use, and he has vetted most of these ones, so it's not that you be using the one that by trial and error of which are the good graphic designers. Then after designing lead magnet, then it talks about landing page, email marketing, how to design a landing page, goes step by step, a bridge page, a split test, all of this. And then there is assignment. Basically, the assignment is where you do have to get it that done, right? How to do that. And the next module is all about email marketing. Once you have the person's email, what to do with it. So he's going to go through step by step of how to set up your emails, how to do integrations, the sequence that you do, and that is being successful. Now, bear in mind, these are all the steps that Spencer Mecham has done it by himself and achieved the success in it. So he's teaching what he's done and being successful at it. The next one is the bonuses. Bonuses, just like what I said it, if you're going to be purchase this course using my affiliate link, there's going to be bonuses that I will send to you. Now he's going to tell you about the bonuses. What are the best kind of bonuses? One of the bonuses that he talks about is the software bonuses, and that's what I'm going to be delivering to you. So stick around till the end of the video, and how to build a bonus landing page and the resources of how to get it. And after that is JV launches. These are one of the launches that for the affiliates, for the product that people do it. So he talks about that. Then he talks about the pro tip on the access of it. The most important is the AdWord that he talks about. Now, for those people who have the previous course, the Affiliate Secret 2, he goes more in detail about the AdWords, but in this one he talks about the YouTube and blogging. So you're not going to be spending a lot of AdWords, basically the paid campaign. So talks about that. All the things that I talked about, he's been successful, have used it. I have used his AdWord tactics that he explained in Affiliate Secret 2. Was a great successful for a couple of campaigns that I used it. Now let's look at his the traffic section and what this includes. So his traffic secret, it all divided into 5 parts. So let's talk about the Facebook organic traffic, YouTube. Remember I told you about his YouTube. He has an amazing YouTube channel, more than 50,000 subscribers. TikTok, that's one of the new craze that's out there. He has done TikTok. You can follow him on TikTok too. Facebook groups and blogging. He talks about all of that in this affiliate traffic section. Now, if you click on this, he goes in detail of how to do Facebook organic, YouTube. He's really good in the YouTube channel. I really liked his YouTube channel. You should subscribe to it. Talks about the TikTok, that a lot of affiliate marketers are using TikTok. And the last two is the Facebook group and the blogging. So those in summary is what the affiliate secret entail, the main part and the traffic part. That's where the meat and potato is, the traffic. Once you set up your affiliate business, and then you need the traffic, and he goes through not just one, he goes through the 5 different ways you can get traffic to your affiliate offers. I hope that showing you what's the course intake, you find that eye-opener, and let me know in the comment if this was a good thing, that before you actually purchasing the course, you actually get the behind the scene of what exactly is in the course. Let me know in the comments, yes or no. So that was behind the scene of Affiliate Secrets 3.0. Now, if anybody who is in the affiliate marketing or who's thinking of affiliate marketing and watching this video, you want to take advantage of getting this course and using my affiliate link in the description. First of all, at the time of this video that was published, you will get the access to his previous course and this course, same price. So you're not paying 2 prices for 2 different courses. you're actually going to pay one price, and he's going to give you access for the both course. But one other thing I like about it is once you buy his course, any updates that he does it, he gives you free access to it. So you're not paying anything extra for any future updates. And going by his previous track record, he will most likely do an update in 2 to 3 years. Now this Affiliate Secrets 3.0 course is a detailed course on affiliate marketing, how to set it up, what actually you need to be successful in affiliate marketing. Then the second part of the course where it talks about the different traffic, how you can get a traffic from different sources on internet by YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, and also at the same time what exactly you need to do in order for you to become a successful affiliate marketer. Now going back to his previous course Successful, this is the course that if you're serious about affiliate marketing, or for people who are struggling as affiliate marketing, are serious about becoming successful, this is the course you need to invest in it. Now let me throw in my offer, and those of you who will use my affiliate link, its link is in the description. Now if you use my affiliate link, what I'm going to do is I'm going to throw in 5 different Chrome extensions. All the details will be in the description for access for 1 year, also free access for 1 year. Now these 5 Chrome extensions will help you with your face marketing organic traffic. Now one of his traffic course talks about the Facebook. Now these Chrome extension, what it will do is they will do your organic marketing on autopilot once it's set it up, and you got to set it up. I have a lot of videos, demos, and my team will be there to help you out if you need any help on that. Now these 5 Chrome extensions are the Friend Maker, the Friend Remover, Group for the people who is thinking of building a Facebook group or already has a Facebook group. You know, they can use this Chrome extension for that. Now there are 2 other Chrome extensions. Like I said, link is in the description. So go ahead, check that link out, check this course too, and get all the goodies from Spencer Mecham. And on top of that, all the bonuses from myself once you invest in this course. And believe me, you won't regret investing in this course. And that's it. That's the end of the video. Thanks for everyone who stayed till the end of the video, and make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the bell to get notified for all those new videos. And once you're subscribed to my channel, make sure you check out some of the old videos. I'm going to give you some of them at the end of this video or in the description. But make sure you check those videos out and stay tuned for my next video. Talk to you later.